Hello everyone. In last video, I have demoed these three blocks of the teaching automation script. We know what uh, they are doing, what they were doing for that. Today, I'm going to demo another function. Is called the Blackboard tools. Okay, so let me firstly comment this. Then we may show Blackboard. Okay, give a name X. Then we are going to display something on the Blackboard, right? The X dot display, then text. Then maybe we like to speak something as well in here. Um, uh, maybe you like to pause 3 close the Blackboard X. So this is a simple block to open Blackboard first, and then display something on the Blackboard, and then speak something, and pause some seconds, and then close Blackboard. So let us demo it.
Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant. Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant. Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant.
Okay, you see I have demoed, executed this script 3 times, right? And then the result is what we are expecting. The next step, maybe I like to display more text on the Blackboard, and the text font should be different. Like here, I can use another statement like display speaking, and then the text is a style text. Okay, so we can set some attributes for this font. We give 5 attributes. Firstly is the font name. We can use consular. We give a plain font type. We can give a large font size. We can give a background color is black. Give the full color is like green. Okay, so that is a different um, font displayed on the Blackboard. So we can also copy another one. Maybe we can italic, and maybe small font, a red full color, right? And then if we execute this part, and then we can see something different.
Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant. Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant. Hello world. As you see, I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant. I am a teaching assistant.
All right, I have demoed a simple Blackboard displayed when executing this script. Right, so this is a Blackboard tool demo on the teaching automation platform. And next video we will demo how to build an application based on these scripts, based on the Blackboard. You will see real teaching activities using this way to build. Okay, this is today's video. Thanks.